This is Hamburg House by Stanza Living. Located in the Koramangala area, Hamburg House is one of its kind to say the least. Whether in a mood for shopping or eating out, Nexus Mall is just right across the road, and popular outlets like the Koramangala Social and Crawl Street are also in close proximity. And with co-working spaces like Insta Office and Beehive at a short distance, never be late for work again. Come, let's show you around. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our 24/7 security system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Further step inside and head on towards the common TV lounge. A high-speed Wi-Fi zone, which is also a cozy little space for you to lounge with your friends and watch your favorite TV shows or movies. Moving on, we make our way past the water station, and here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste, and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. A comfortable bed, study table, a cupboard, an attached bathroom that's always kept fresh, and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. So be rest assured and have yourself a comfortable stay. Now as we further head upstairs, we reach the terrace, and here we're greeted with an enormous dining room where you can treat yourself to some lip-smacking food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI-approved kitchen. That too by simply scanning a barcode, ensuring proper hygiene and health safety for you at all times. Easy, right? With an in-house pantry that's fully equipped with a microwave, toaster, and a hot plate. Cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. Done with your meal? Hang back and relax at this recreational zone, which is right beside your dining area. Indulge in a game of foosball or carom and make the most of your time. This place is bound to be a favorite for sure. And for all you fitness freaks, we have for you an in-house gym which is accessible round the clock. So no matter how long your day gets, never miss a workout again. We know we have convinced you. So come, live that Stanza life. Hamburg House is waiting for you.